I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps on your Garmin Fenix 6. To begin, press and hold the up/menu button to access the main menu. Scroll down and select Maps to open the map screen. You can then use the up and down buttons to zoom in and out, and the Start/Stop button to pan across the map. The Fenix 6 comes preloaded with detailed topo active maps for your region, offering excellent outdoor navigation capabilities. To load new map regions, connect your Fenix 6 to your computer using the USB cable and open Garmin Express. Select your device and navigate to the Map Details section to download and install additional maps. Your watch typically has 16 gigabytes of internal storage, allowing for several detailed map regions. Once installed, you can switch between maps by going to Map Settings and selecting Map Theme or Configure Maps. Navigating with your Fenix 6 is straightforward. From the map screen, press Start/Stop to bring up navigation options. You can select a saved location, a point of interest, or create a course. For instance, choose courses to follow a pre-planned route, which will display as a colored line on your map. The watch will guide you with turn-by-turn directions and distance remaining, ensuring you stay on track during your adventures. Customize your map view for an optimal experience. From the map settings, you can adjust the map orientation to north up or track up, and change the detail level from low to high. You can also add or remove data fields, such as speed or elevation, directly onto the map screen. To conserve battery, consider reducing the backlight timeout to 15 seconds and using Ultra Track mode for extended activities, which samples GPS data less frequently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.